Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you different artifacts. Let's begin with the first one. First, you just have to make the different round circles that are 6 in number. After that, with the help of the marker, we are going to make some of the features so that these will represent different type of the living beings. Like first one is a cute little rabbit, second one is another rabbit, then the third one is a piggy, fourth is the cat, fifth is the hen, and sixth is the bull. This is so cool. Let's move further towards our another activity. First, you just have to make the two circles, one smaller and one elongated. After that, you just have to make a bigger one over the first circle. Then the rest of the body is made and other features are added. It's a cute little teddy bear. We will now move further with our another activity. For this one, you just have to trace down the alphabet B, but not completely B. You can see how it looks on your screens. After that, you just have to add the features of the panda, like the black and white stripes and the big giant eyes, and it looks so cute and it's very less time consuming activity. We are just holding it around the tree. Let's move further towards our another activity. For this one, you just have to trace down the alphabet small h, and after that you just have to make a circle and rest of the features. These are going to represent the features of the giraffe. You have to make some antlers and the ears, and the long neck is its characteristic feature. Then you just have to make the circles, that's its body pattern. We will now move further with our another activity. For this one, you just have to make this curvier S-shaped lines, and after that you just have to make from both the opposite ends the same things like we have done before. It's going to represent some of the bunnies and they are just in love with each other. You can just give the tint area over the ears and the cheeks area. It looks so cute. You just have to write down the number 2 and in the opposite direction also. After that you just have to elongate it with this triangular shape. This is actually going to represent a frog. You just have to fill it with the green color. This activity looks so good and easy. Let's move further towards our another activity. Here we are going to show you how we can make. Let's follow the each step in a sequential manner. You just have to make the teeth and you just have to make the fins, and then you just have to fill it with this blue color. We will now move further with our another activity. For this one, you just have to make this shape that's similar to inverted U. After that, you just have to make the two small U's, and again you just have to join all these together. It's going to represent an elephant. This is very cool and very easy activity. Let's now move further with our another activity. For this one, you just have to first make these long ears. After that, you just have to make the facial features. Then you just have to show the winking eyes, and the rest of the features are added. This is a cute little bunny. We will now move further with our another artifact. Here you just have to first trace down the lines that are just similar to the alphabet H. After that you just have to build the rest of the body of this cartoon character. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused. Follow the each step properly. Let's move further. Here you just have to make the curved lines as apparent on your screen. These are somewhat similar to the cursive A beginning lines. After that you just have to make the features of this bunny and it looks again very cute and nice. Let's now move further with our another activity. For this one, you just have to make the four semicircles as apparent here. After that, you just have to make the differential features that's going to represent the different creatures. First one is just the porcupine. You just can see its spiny body. Second one is the turtle, and you can see the third one is a dolphin. We are adding some of the water in the background, and the fourth one is the crab. This is the simplest of all. Definitely give this one a try. Thank you for watching.